Hello friends, today we are going to explain you few troubleshooting steps related to this Fume Pro 201 fume extraction system. If we face any problem or it stops working, then we can follow these steps to rectify the problem. So let's start. And suppose if it is not switching on, then we need to check the power cable and the fuse. Fuse is provided on the right side of this extraction system, and we need to just take out this fuse socket with the help of screwdriver. So in this way this fuse socket is removed, and we need to check the continuity of this fuse with the help of a multimeter. We can see the fuse is okay. Suppose if if you find the fuse faulty, then there is extra fuse also kept inside this fuse socket, and which can be replaced if the other fuse is faulty. We will insert this fuse holder back to the power socket. Then we will switch the unit on. And so if there is any problem in the suction path, then the fume extraction system will stop working, and a symbol on the display will starting so will rotating clockwise, and off signal will also be displayed. In this case we need to check the suction path, whether there is any problem in the extraction arms or filters are choked. We need to check the extraction arm also. If extraction arms are okay, then we need to open this top cover and take out the filter cassette and check the filters physically to find any choking or contamination. See, this is how the top cover is removed and filter cassette is taken out. First thing, we need to remove this gasket and take out this metal plate and check all three filters carefully. First one is the pre-filter. If pre-filter is okay, then check the middle filter. If you find any of the filter in bad condition or it is contaminated, you need to replace the filter immediately. If suppose if 2 or 3 filters are choked, then replace all these filters which are choked. Now we have checked that there is all the filters, and we will put the filter cassette back into the main unit. And replace place the all three filters in the same sequence. Then we will keep the metal plate, and then we will put the gasket back, and then we will keep the top cover. We will clamp it with the help of these 4 clamps, and then we will switch on the main unit, and we will see whether the problem is resolved or not. We can see that that error indication is now gone, and the fume extraction system is working smoothly, and the extraction is sufficient. So in this way we can troubleshoot this fume extraction system. Thanks for watching.